Today is gonna be the day that Seb will take you in the fridge. By now you should somehow realize it's gonna hurt like a motherfucker. All I need is anybody takes it in the bum when you're in the fridge. Backache and sore assholes, that's the way it goes. When you go in the fridge with Seb, everybody knows, save your ass. Oh, get out of the fridge. All the times we go into the fridge now, everybody hears the screaming in the bar, and it sounds like this. As it may be, you're gonna be the one that penetrates me. And after all, you got a tattoo on your asshole. And why are you smiling behind the bar? Today will never be the day that Olaf goes to the fridge. He got his protection, he got the needle right up his bum. Got a big painful tattoo that says, fuck off Seb, you're not welcome in my home. Cause I'm here motherfucker, got a tattoo on my arms. But then there's Nicholas, he just wanted a new job. Got tattoos everywhere, he looks like a fucking thug. But he's got short hair, and he shaves his pubes and things down there, so sad. Oh, Seb just wants to take him in the fridge and downtown the day. Fuck you in the fridge. Right now, you should have known how to do it, so get yourself a wig, you'll be much safer. Every day we hear the boys all screaming. We hear them screaming in the bar. Sounds like this. Oh, get off me, Seb. Oh, baby. I'm gonna be the one to penetrate you. Don't you know? Got a rabbit in your hole. You want a fucking job? Cause Seb is gay. Got a customer. Let's talk now. Don't change your reputation.